Never tell your boss, client, or manager when things are going to be done and when you can work on stuff ever again with Get Organized. I went ahead and created a calendar integration. So for your task, let's do test number 5. I'm going to go ahead and set it for 2010. And then I will save to the calendar. And it'll automatically put that item on a calendar of my choice. Let's say I want to edit that event. I can do let's start at 2030, update the calendar event, and it'll automatically update the event to the updated time. If I want to change the duration, same thing. I can update the calendar event, and it will change the duration. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove the event, and the calendar event is removed. Let's go ahead and put an event on the calendar, and then I'll move it on the calendar. And then when I refresh my issue, it'll take a second, but it'll update according to the parameters of where I moved it. Now, here's the cool part. A lot of meetings are about what's being done, how long did it take, and when can you do it, when can you finish. So let's say you have 2 events, test 5 and test. Now, I'm going to go ahead and change the duration to be until 2010, which is almost 2010. Let's do 11 minutes, so it's almost over. I'm going to go ahead and change this to be right at 2011, which would be like, my next thing that I need to do. Cal Newport time blocking is the inspiration from this. Great. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. Great. So the in progress item will automatically extend while it's still in progress. That way, if someone wants to check up on the progress and they see that it's still going, they can simply just click on the link and find out information about what's happening inside of the GitLab issue rather than sending you a Slack message, saying where is it, sending a follow-up email. They can follow the progress but not interrupt your time block. And then all future time blocks will automatically move down, letting people who are waiting for something else or those other tasks know when that can be started, and they can know why it's being delayed because the other item is being extended, and they can check out that GitLab task. So basically, it's a way to communicate the status of what is in progress, how is it going, and how is it going to affect the entire day. Okay, so we're going to do one more test, and I'm going to do 2020 and start at 2020. I'll go ahead and mark test in progress. And then at 2021, everything should move out. Let's hope that this works. It worked. So did you see how it went from 8 o'clock to 8:21 or 2021 and then 2021 to 2051? Let's wait one more minute and we'll go ahead and double check that it works for a second minute. And it works. It works. It works. So the next step is to check for conflicts in different calendar and then to have some boundaries between certain work hours. So if it goes past a certain work hour, then it goes to the next day. So the last step is to go ahead and change the label to something else, not in progress. I'll put it back to inbox. I'll refresh my page. It'll automatically update the duration to how long it took from the original task. And then the one behind it will also have a change in the start time. So it'll be start time 2024, duration 30 minutes. I did that.